Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Fine, fine. Good morning to all. Okay, first let me see. Abuzar, are you there? Let me check out.
Yes, ma'am.
Abuzar, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, beta, switch on the camera so that you can go and join your other class. Let's start with chapter, beta. Class 9, be quiet for some time, okay? Dear? Okay, cell. Let's start. Okay. Okay, we'll start with Abuzar first. Tell me any two things about plasma membrane, Abuzar.
And plasma membrane is composed of lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates, and it also contains some amount of cholesterol and water. And ma'am, its model was given by its model is known as fluid-like model.
Very good. What are inclusion bodies?
And inclusion bodies to reserve food material. Inclusion bodies, they are a form of reserved food material in the cytoplasm. Example, cyanophysin granules.
Very good. Third question for you. What is fimbric?
And fimbriae are small bristle-like fibers sprouting. They are a surface structure of bacteria. They are a type of small bristle-like fibers sprouting out.
Good. Fourth question. What is the full form of PPLO?
Pleuropneumonia-like organisms.
Very good. Well done, beta. Can you tell me the two components of 70S type of ribosome?
Yes, ma'am. 50S and 30S.
Very good. All your questions are done. Thank you so much, dear. You can leave the meeting.
Thank
Very
you.
up. Oh, bye. Okay, Ishan is there. Ishan, is he there in the meeting? Ishan? No. Divya is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Divya, switch on your camera. Yes, beta. Which chapter, Divya?
Ma'am, transport and plant.
Transport and plants. Chali, let's start. What is apoplast?
Ma'am, movement of water through cell membrane, but it does not enter the cell.
Okay. What is an isotonic solution?
Solution in which both the cell and the outer region have same concentration.
What is mass flow hypothesis?
Ma'am, it is through phloem the glucose is transported to all parts, and before it is converted into sucrose.
Good. What is guttation? What question?
It's a cooperative chapter, you know. Same.
Ma'am, loss of liquid droplets from water pores known as hydrothroats.
Okay. Very nice. Last question for you. What is active absorption?
Ma'am, what?
Active absorption.
Ma'am, absorption of water when stomata is open.
Good. Very good, Divya. You can leave the meeting, beta. Well done. Fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, bache. Nishkash? Nishkash, are you there in the meeting? No. Pratyush?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratyush. Chaliye, let's start. Which Pratyush? 9th or 11th?
11th.
Chaliye, Pratyush, switch on the camera. Let's start with the Viva beta. Pratyush, which chapter?
Ma'am, Millennium plants. Millennium nutrition.
Mineral nutrition. Acha, name 3. What are micronutrients?
Ma'am, these nutrients are present in large number of in large part of the plants.
Micro. Large number.
I mean, they are these nutrition needed in a small amount of in plants.
Give me one answer, small or large. You're giving me both the answers.
I'm
First, you're
small.
saying, huh? Acha. What is critical
I'm small.
concentration? What is critical concentration?
Ma'am, critical concentration is an essential element which helps plant to retard it or reduce in the growth.
What is reductive amination? Third question for you, reductive amination. Fourth
Ma'am,
question.
reductive amination is used to I'm not getting the answer.
Never mind. Fourth question. What is hydroponics? Hydroponics.
Ma'am, it is it is a type of soil to support the plants and the roots.
Name two bacteria which carry out denitrification. Two bacteria which carry out denitrification. Okay, fine, Pratyush. You can leave the meeting, beta. All 5 questions are done. Chaliye badhiya. We already done. Okay, Vishwansh. Vishwansh, you are there? Vishwansh, is he there in the meeting? No. Any other class 11 student here present for the Viva? Please speak out so that I can take the Viva and then you can leave the meeting. Any other student from class 11? Children, anyone? I'm asking you once again. If you're there in the meeting, tell me. I'll take your Viva and then you can leave the meeting. Okay. Nobody? Then I'll start with class 9. Class 9, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
It is still last time I'm asking. Is there anyone from class 11 still left in the meeting? If so, please tell me so that I can take your Viva and you can leave. Okay, fine, children. Let's start with the exercises. What is the last thing that you had done in your notebooks, class 9?
Ma'am, nouns like advice, furniture, information, instrumental equipment, stationery, luggage, weather, etc. are singular and take singular verbs.
Acha, you've done subject-verb agreement rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are done with the rules of subject-verb agreement. Today we practice exercises. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start some exercises of subject-verb agreement so that you feel more confident. There's no need to write the answers as of now. When I'll tell you, only then you write the answers. How many rules have been written in the notebook?
Ma'am, 19 rules.
19.
Like just now you saw we have a Viva in 11, 12 for internals. In 9, 10 we do not have a Viva. We have 5 marks for your notebooks and 5 marks for attendance. So those who had sent their notebooks will get marks. Those who did not send their notebooks will get 0. What to do?
Ma'am, on the group.
Beta, not on the group. Some had sent me on me also. Some had sent. Those who keep posting their work accordingly. So those who had submitted in the school. So we are giving marks according to that. 10 marks internal will be given in class 9th and 10th. 5 marks are being given for your attendance. And the rest of the 5 marks are being given for your notebooks. Like in class 11, we have Viva. In 9th, 10th, we do not have Viva. I've shared on the screen exercises, beta.
Ma'am, we have done exercises. First
Uh,
exercise.
First is done. Okay, never mind. What about the second one?
No, ma'am.
Chaliye, take your time, plan your answers. Do not write anything. I'll discuss the answers with you. Okay. Plan the answers quickly. Up from A to H. Just plan them. Don't write beta. And once you're done, please raise your hand so that I get to know how many of them are done.
Ma'am, planned.
Ma'am, done.
What did I say, children? Raise your hands. If you say done, I won't get to know how many of you have done. See, when I see hands raised, it was only 4. Now I can see. Divyansh Jain is also done. Out of so many students in the meeting, 7 or 8 hands raised. Why does this happen? 16 hands now. Better. Out of 52 students, 16 hands only. 17, 18. Good. Make it 20 so that I can start discussing. Oh, good. 22. Chali, let's start. Good. More than one person dash invited.
Ma'am, was.
Good. A parcel of toys dash been received.
Has been received.
Has been.
Good. Good. His secretary and typist, Mr. Madan.
Is. Secretary and typist is.
Ma'am, is.
Yes, it is because Mr. Madan is secretary also and typist also. Same
Typist
person
also.
so is. Neither he nor I dash his whereabouts.
Knows.
No.
It is not knows. We are talking about two
No.
in I plural. So no. Either the boy or the teacher dash in the wrong.
Is in the wrong.
Ma'am,
Yes,
is.
is because with either or we take singular verb, so it is. The public dash invited to the meeting.
Ma'am, was.
Because public is a collective noun and collective nouns take singular verb, so was. Neither of the girls dash able to climb.
Was able to climb.
Age and
Ma'am, was.
experience, wisdom.
Ma'am, brings.
Very
Ma'am,
good. It
bring.
is because both of them express the same idea. Bread and butter.
Yes, ma'am.
Brings. Very nice. So first is was, second is
Ma'am, has.
third.
Ma'am, is.
No.
What is no?
Fifth.
Is.
Is. Was.
Was.
Seventh.
Was.
Eighth.
Brings.
Chaliye, please hurry up, dear. Bachas, please write exercise 2, today's date. Write these 8 answers and jaldi se raise your hand. Bahut jaldi. So that I can move on to the next exercise.
Ma'am, a notebook.
Yes, beta, in the notebooks. Hurry up, please. Just write exercise 2. There is no need to write the sentence. Only write the answers. Put on the heading exercise 2, today's date. Please, you should not write when we discuss. I always give you time to write. So don't write
Can you
at that.
please tell again what was the answer of G?
Please help your friend. Was.
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 Okay,
Chali
ma'am.
beta, please raise your hands. Those who finished writing, raise your hands. I'll move on to the next exercise then. I'll just give you 1 minute. You have to only write the answers. Hurry up, beta. Nobody will say done. Just raise your hands quickly. 25 already hands raised. Okay, beta. Let's move on to the next exercise. Sufficient time given for writing. 27 students have already finished. Correct the following sentences. I'll tell you how to do. He needs not write more on this subject. What is the correct sentence?
Ma'am, need
Ma'am, he
not.
need not have to write.
Need not.
Need
Need
not.
not.
Very nice. It should not
Ma'am,
be
need
need.
not had to write.
No, had and all is not needed. We have
Ma'am,
not to put a
need not.
only he need not. Chalo, I'll give you time. Please plan your answers from A to H. Raise your hands. First, all hands down. All hands down first. Hands down, hands down. Please, Saksham, Taranjot, Prachi, hands down first. And once you finish this exercise, then raise your hands. Plan your answers. Please do not write anything. Just plan your answers. Do not write, okay? Good. Let me see how many hands raised. 3 hands. Let's wait for more for now. Shall let's wait for a few minutes. Chale, let's start. First one we've already done. It should be he need not. I would do it if I was he.
Ma'am, instead of was, it would be were.
Very good. I would do it if I were he. Good. Excellent. Very, very nice. If I was a bird, I would fly to my lady love.
Ma'am, instead of was, were.
Ma'am, instead of was, it will be were.
Very good. If the second and third, the change is the same. If I were a bird and I were, very nice. I, Manpreet, is a student of class 10.
Instead of is, am.
Ma'am, am. I am.
Oh, क्या बात है, very nice. I, Manpreet, am a student of class 10. Very good. Either of these methods are correct.
Ma'am, instead of
Ma'am,
are, is.
Are is.
Either of these methods is correct.
Very good. In place of are, it should be is. Aspects of this drama has been written by Charles Dickens.
Ma'am, have been written.
Have.
Ma'am, it should be have.
Very nice. In place of has, it should be have. Many a rose bloom and waste in the desert air. No? It is a very good. Excellent. Blooms and wastes. Put S over here also. बहुत ही अच्छे. It is a rose. Singular. Many rose blooms and wastes. So you'll have S over here also, S over here also. Very nice, beta. Each of them have a book.
Ma'am, in place of have, has.
Instead of have had.
Very good. So how will you write it in the notebook? Short way. How to write in a very short way?
Ma'am,
I'll tell
just
you.
the correcting sentences.
Ma'am, we will first write the words that we have corrected.
Either you write need.
And after writing an arrow, ma'am, we will write the right word.
I think you do like this. For example, you write needs, then put an arrow and write need. Then write was, put an arrow and write were.
Yes,
Whatever
ma'am.
change.
Writing wrong and correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Hanji bache, but do it quickly. Yeah? Very smart class. Very nice. I'm so happy. It's a very difficult topic, but you are giving all the answers. Very nice. Not even one sentence I had to help you. Very proud of you. Very nice, beta. बढ़िया कर रहे हैं आप लोग, बहुत अच्छे.
Ma'am, what will be the answer C?
Were.
Very good. Your friend, very nice. Children. Keep helping your friends. If something is wrong, then I'll do.
And what is G then?
Well, beta, help your friend.
Ma'am, blooms and waste. Blooms and waste.
Very good. Blooms and wastes.
Okay.
Finish writing quickly.
I'm done.
Ma'am, what is the last one answer?
Head.
Very nice. Please keep helping. I'll keep watching and observing.
I'm done exercise 3.
Ma'am, done.
Just raise your hands once you finish. Don't say done, otherwise I don't get a right idea.
Ma'am, what's the D1?
Yes, Peter?
Am.
Ma'am, the D.
Am.
Okay, yes, it is am.
Anyone please tell about of G?
Tell Peter, help him.
Blooms and waste.
Blooms and waste.
We have to
Excellent.
put plural S
Thank you.
in bloom and waste.
Very good. Those who finished writing, raise your hands. Let me see how many hands are raised. Good, good. Very nice number. Very nice. I want to check your first exercise also. Have you completed the entire exercise till here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Till M you have done. Have you done till the last sentence? Please check your answers.
Ma'am, we
And
have
tell
only
me.
done till J.
No, ma'am, it has been
Ma'am, we have done till J.
J.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, till J.
Plan the
Yes,
answers.
ma'am, till J.
Plan your answers for the left of the sentences, and then I'll tell you to speak out the answers. For exercise 1, you speak out. Plan your answers for these sentences which are left, beta, and then we'll
Yes,
start.
ma'am, done.
Yes, beta, and then we'll start speaking the answers. Let us see.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, dear, raise your hands once the people are done. Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
speak
Yes,
out the sentence? Shall we speak out the sentence, beta? We had done till J now.
Yes, ma'am.
One of
yes,
you
yes,
speak.
ma'am.
Okay, one of you speak out for K. Speak.
A bunch of
A bunch of
has
keys
been found in the car park.
And in the car.
Has been found.
has been.
Yes,
Has
beta.
been found
Ma'am,
in
has
the
been.
car park.
Because it's a collective noun, so we are going to use singular. So has been found. Perfect. Okay. Next sentence, please read out.
Ma'am, the company has moved to its new premises in Jakarta.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Next now.
The crew of the spaceship was examined by a panel of doctors to ascertain how the time in outer space had affected them.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
No one else is speaking, only one child is giving this answer. What happened? Do you agree with the answer or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak, beta. The last sentence again, children.
The crew of the spaceship was examined by a panel of doctors to ascertain how the time in outer space had affected them.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now tell me the first answer. You're starting from exercise 1. One by one, you will read out the answers. I mean the sentence with the correct answers. Start anyone. One of you will read the first, the other one will read the second. This is how we'll go ahead. Start, beta. Start reading.
The jury
The jury
consists of
consists
12 men and women and are chosen from names on the electoral roll.
Very good. Well done. Let one person speak at a time. Okay. Let one child speak. So if one person is speaking, let the other one be quiet. And try that everybody gives the answers. Everyone, different answers from different students. Good. Move on to the second one, children.
The class.
The class was listening attentively as its teacher explained the experiment to them.
Yes, good. Another student, the third one
the
now.
committee meets
The
every month.
committee meets every month.
First, that boy was speaking, let him only speak. So once anybody starts, then other person should be quiet. Then other sentence you can
And
speak. Speak.
the committee meets every month.
Okay, fine. Man, no just very good. Next, fourth sentence who will read?
The procession was slowly making its
Way
way
to
to
the
the center of the town.
yes, ma'am.
Very good, Rishesh. Correct answer. Next one, who will read?
The mob was
Yes.
running here and there, waving its posters and shouting loudly.
Correct, Anoki. Very nice. Next, who will speak?
The firm of solicitors was well known for its
for their
eligibility and respectability.
Yes, very good, Manojas. Very good. Beta, why are other students not speaking? Same hands, same children speaking. I want somebody else to speak now. Someone read the next one. Come on. Somebody else. I don't want the same
A
students.
swarm of bees flew angrily from their hive. They attacked a small boy who had upset them.
Yes, Saksham. Very good. This is how I want. Everybody should speak up. Good, Beta. Who is speaking next? Speak.
The police
The police
is often called upon to perform extremely dangerous duties.
Just speak again, Beta. You got interrupted by somebody. I could not make out.
The police is often called upon to perform extremely dangerous duties.
Very nice. Very good. Very good. Excellent.
Ma'am, I'm speaking next. The board of directors were dissatisfied with the chairman's decision.
Very good, Abhina. Very nice. Well done.
Country folk is said to be more friendly than their city counterparts.
Very good, Manojas. Somebody else also. Same hand. Same.
A bunch of trees has been found in the car park.
Very good, Mehika. This is what I want. I want everybody to participate. Well done, Mehika. Very nice. Yes, next. Yes, yes. A
The
bunch of keys.
company has
A bunch
moved
of
to its new premises in Jakarta.
Good, Mehika. Now the last one who will speak.
Ma'am, the
The
crew of the
crew of the spaceship was examined by a panel of doctors to ascertain how the time and outer space had affected them.
Yes, very good. Sanidhya, Divyansh were also answering nicely. Very nice. Good.
Ma'am,
Let's
please
move
tell
on to
the second last one, ma'am. Second last one of first exercise.
Saravay. Tell the second last one of the first exercise. Who will tell? Help your friend.
The company has moved to its new premises in Jakarta.
Yes, the company has moved to its new premises in Jakarta. Very nice. Peter, well done. Hello, let's do this exercise together and then please post your answers. What is the answer to the first one?
Ma'am, consists.
This
Ma'am,
first
more
one.
than one person was
was.
invited.
ma'am was ma'am was invited.
Ma'am was invited.
Second,
Ma'am,
A parcel of
Parcel of
toys
toy
has
A
been
parcel of
received.
toys has been received.
received.
third one,
His
his secretary and
His
typist
typist
Madan
secretary and
Typist
typist
Mr.
Mr. Madan
Madan
is
is
on leave
on
today.
leave today.
we don't have that much time. Don't speak the sentence, just tell me the answer. Fourth one,
knows. No.
No.
Nose.
No.
Ma'am, no.
fifth,
Is.
Ma'am, is.
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 sixth, next one,
Was.
sixth,
Was.
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 seventh,
Was. Was.
okay, eighth.
Brings.
Bring.
Okay, good. We have just 1 minute left, children. Okay, please post your work on the group.
Okay.
Hurry up,
Can we
dear.
post?
Okay, ma'am.
Good, good, well done. Please post your work on the group. Let
Ma'am,
me
only
check.
2 and 3.
Beta, yes. Exercise 2 and 3. Okay, I am on the group only. Just 1 minute is left. Please post your work, bachas. Hurry up, hurry up. Only 1 minute left. Not even 1 minute now.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Beta, I'm checking on the group. Don't say send. Just keep posting. I'm there on the group. I'll put a tick in front of your name. I'll mark you present only once your work comes in the group. Otherwise, even if you are answering everything in the class, I will not mark you present. Work has to be done.